The Indian food ingredients market is booming, growing at a staggering 7.5% compound annual growth rate. From spices to natural extracts, preservatives to flavor enhancers, the demand is growing across industries, snacks, beverages, and health foods. With increasing health consciousness, India is embracing clean label, organic, and plant-based ingredients. Opportunities are ripe for global partnerships and innovative solutions, making this sector a goldmine for businesses. The future of food ingredients in India is rich, flavorful, and full of possibilities. Join the food revolution, explore, invest, and grow, hosted at the state-of-the-art Yashobhoomi IICC, New Delhi. Register to visit now.